Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, SAIL registers Rs 3645 crore profit before tax during quarter 3 for year 2021, marking a substantial growth over CPLY. And Shrujani Mela held at Roll Shop Department of SAIL, RSP.
Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, project undertaken by Sadhana Quality Circle of Raw Material Handling Plant brings about several tangible and intangible benefits for the company. And mushroom cultivation training imparted to the villagers of peripheral block of SAIL RSP.
Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, Shrujani Mela and award function held at special plate plant of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. And annual academic prize giving ceremony organized at Ispat Vidya Mandir of SAIL RSP.
Now the news in detail. Steel Authority of India Limited, the Maharatna steel maker, has declared its financial performance result for the third quarter of current financial year and 9 months, both ending 31st December 2020. Key highlights of quarter 3 for year 2021. Hot metal production at 4.8 million tons, growth of 12% over CPLY. Crude steel production at 4.37 million tons, growth of 9% over CPLY. Saleable steel production at 4.15 million tons, growth of 6% over CPLY. Total sales domestic plus exports of 4.15 million tons, growth of around 1% over CPLY. There has been a country-wide turnaround in the overall economic activities after the short pause set in during the pandemic. In sectors like infrastructure, construction, manufacturing and automobiles, there has been a relatively rapid recovery. As these sectors are major steel consumers, the recovery in them have helped the uprise in demand in domestic steel sector. The concerted thrust of the government to strengthen the infrastructure of the country has helped the domestic steel sector witness healthy demand generation. Srimati Soma Mandal, Chairman, SAIL, commented, "The worst is behind us. SAIL has shown overall improvement during the current financial year despite all the challenges. With the focus on seizing opportunities, the company has geared up to service the rising steel demand in the market as soon as the gradual opening of lockdown started. It has always been SAIL's strategy to operate in sync with the market situation. As we look ahead, we are confident of improving the performance further in the remaining period of the financial year." With an objective to reinforce the Shrujani movement in SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, a Shrujani Mela was organized for the employees of Roll Shop Department on 28 January. Mr. D. Datta, CGM HSMS, inaugurated the Shrujani Mela and handed over token gifts to the suggesters. Present on the occasion were Mr. K. Behra, GM in charge, Roll Shop, Mr. M.S. Mangar, DGM IED, Mr. M.K. Mudali, GM Roll Shop, Mr. P.K. Sarkar, Assistant Manager Personnel, Section in charges, other officers, participants and employees. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Datta urged the collective to give useful suggestions for the improvement of quality, production, productivity, yield, cost reduction, safety and environment. More than 80 suggestions were generated in the Mela. Token gifts were presented to the employees for the suggestions. Mr. Mangar presented a brief on the status of Shrujani scheme in the department. Mr. A.K. Mohapatra, AGM Roll Shop and Departmental Shrujani Coordinator coordinated the function.
The creative ideas of the enterprising employees of Sadhana Quality Circle of Rourkela Steel Plant's Raw Material Handling Plant Department has helped in bringing about a substantial savings of around rupees 1 crore for the company. The team comprising of Mr. A.K. Panda, Mr. P. Pandey, Mr. D.K. Patel, Mr. R.N. Behra, Mr. S.K. Samal, Mr. C.M. Nayak, all SOSTs of RMHP left no stone unturned to successfully implement the project titled To Enhance the Handling of Quality of Raw Material, undertaken as a Quality Circle endeavor. The facilitator of the group was Mr. S. Bhanja Deo, Manager RMHP. It may be noted that in belt conveyors 7 and 8 of RMHP, samples of materials were being collected manually. The running belts had to be stopped to collect the samples. When stop command was given, due to geared motor with brake assemble, the rotating scoop sample cutter stays in parking position. Accordingly, wet and sticky material would get stuck on the walls of chute. Odd size lump and foreign material stuck up would often compel the scoop to stay in odd position. This was resulting in damaging the belt conveyors, production delay and high maintenance cost. The sampling method also needed an upgradation for more accurate results. A thorough study helped the team to identify the root cause that was present in the conveyors 7 and 8. The team, with the help of design as well as research and control laboratories departments, successfully designed, fabricated and installed the new system at the head end of the belt conveyors 7 and 8 using in-house resources. The system facilitates collection of incremental samples from material flow without stopping the conveyor belts. Apart from the projected financial benefits, the new system improved the efficiency, productivity, quality and safety of the department. The new system also facilitates hassle-free maintenance and low cost involved thereby. The project helped the team to bag Distinguished Award in NCQC 2020 held in virtual mode recently. A 2-day mushroom cultivation training was organized at the Institute of Periphery Development IPD of Rourkela Steel Plant on 22nd and 23rd January. Mr. M.V. Appa Rao, GM in charge CSR, presided over the closing session of the training program. Also present were Mrs. Munmun Mitra, DGM CSR and other officials of the department. In all, 10 women and 5 men from Bagdega, Kairkera, Garda, Barilepta and Khairtola villages of Nuagaon block attended the training program. The sessions included theoretical inputs on Dhingri mushroom cultivation process along with practical demonstration. The training was imparted by master trainers Mr. Tintus Vengra and Mr. Benedict Ekka, both from CSR department, and Mrs. Kamla Topo, master trainer of Suman Women Resource Center, WRC, of Dalposh village. The formal opening and closing functions were coordinated by Mr. Benedict Ekka. It is worth mentioning that the CSR Department of SAIL, RSP, has set up Mother Culture Production Center at IPD Sector 20 and Mushroom Seed Producing Center at Women Resource Center of Dalposh for facilitating mushroom cultivation as a supplementary means of income generation in and around Rourkela.
A Srujani Award function and Srujani Mela was held for the employees of Special Plate Plant of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 28 January 2021 at the Departmental Conference Hall. Mr. S.K. Bagchi, GM in charge SPP, presided over the function and presented the Srujani Awards and certificates to the employees. Present on the occasion were Mr. S. Jaina, GM SPP Electrical, Mr. M.S. Mangar, DGM IED, Mr. S.K. Patnaik, Senior Manager SPP Electrical and Srujani Coordinator, section in charges, other officers, awardees, participants and a large number of employees. The function was organized in compliance with the COVID-19 guidelines. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Bagchi appreciated the ideas and suggestions given by the awardees. He urged all to participate and contribute meaningfully through Srujani Suggestion Scheme for the improvement of quality, production, productivity, yield, cost reduction, safety and environment. In all, 275 suggestions were awarded in the function. Out of these, 221 suggestions have already been implemented. Cash awards to the tune of Rs 39,950 were presented to the awardees. Several tangible and intangible benefits have been accrued from the implemented suggestions. More than 45 new suggestions were received in the Srujani Mela held on the occasion. The dignitaries presented token gifts to the employees for their suggestions. Mr. M.S. Mangar briefed about the status of Srujani scheme of RSP and that of the department in specific. The program was coordinated by Mr. S.K. Patnaik, the Srujani coordinator of the department, while Mr. B. Mahato, manager SPP, proposed a formal vote of thanks. An annual academic prize-giving ceremony was organized at Ispat Vidya Mandir Sector 19 of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant on 20th January 2021. Mr. P.K. Das, GM in charge Town Services and HOD, presided over the function and handed over Academic Proficiency Award to first, second and third rank holders of Science, Arts and Commerce streams of the institution in Annual Higher Secondary Examination 2020 of the Council of Higher Secondary Education, Odisha. Present on the occasion were Mr. Manoj Kumar Agarwal, GM TS Education, Ms. P. Khanum, Principal IVM, other teachers and staff of the institution. Pratiksha Singh with 85.33%, who was the Rourkela topper in the science stream, was also felicitated. The second and the third rank holders were Rashmi Priya Rana 80.50% and Debashish Sarangi 79.83%. The awardees in the order of merit in the art stream were Anupama Rath 80.16%, Khushbu Sahu 79.16% and Itishri Singh 75%. Similarly, Supriya Bara 85%, Masoma Farheen 84.20% and Afreen Khatun 83.16%. The first, second and third toppers of IVM in Commerce stream were awarded on the occasion. It may be noted that Ms. Pratiksha Singh brought laurels for the institutions by being the city topper as well as the highest scorer in science in Sundargarh district. During the function, 9th edition of the literary magazine of the institution Ispat Chetana was released by Mr. P.K. Das, GM in charge Town Services and HOD. At the outset, Mr. A. Udgata delivered the welcome address, Ms. P. Khanum presented the annual report, Mr. V. V. Subramaniam announced the prizes and Mr. K. Naik proposed a formal vote of thanks. Ms. Ankita Mahanti, teacher IVM, anchored the function. And that's all for now. Namaskar.